Situationship is not a foundation to anything but a disaster, and you know it. Why are you willing to settle for someone that is nothing but a distraction in your life? No situationship will lead to anything if you don't put your foot down and ask for a long-term commitment. That is number one. But it's all cash. Oh my god, yeah, I'm cool with it. No, you're not cool with it. And the situationships are nothing but time consuming, they're taxing, and they don't lead to any good in your life. If you just want to waste your time, go ahead, be in one. But if you want a relation, you have to speak up for yourself. You need to make things clear and ask for commitment, period. And if the guy is not willing to give you the commitment, well, he's not your man. And you deserve to be with a man who's willing to make you a priority, who's willing to give you everything that you deserve. Because hey, listen, you are worthy. In this life, this hookup culture, this situationship, everything is like casual, but you know it. It's a fact. It's not taking you anywhere, and also it's just contributing to the chaos in your life. So do you want chaos or do you want calmness? If you want calmness, you choose a long-term relation, you choose a stable man instead of somebody who has no idea what he wants in his life. Why would you do that to yourself? Go find yourself, go end that situationship, be more, because you deserve to be more and have more.